Dr. Sankey was an amazing woman. She gave joyfully, generously, and quietly.
She dedicated her life and her career to healthcare.
Practicing medicine was her calling, and she worked long hours, was always present, ready to answer your questions and to help people. As a Terre Haute lawyer, my law firm represented her father, Charles O. Sankey, and he was a farmer and school teacher where Peggy was raised as a farm girl. And when he passed away, I helped handle his estate, and Peggy was a personal representative, and that's how I started spending time with her. She was a competent doctor, and she was raised on a farm, and I had been raised on a farm. We had a lot to talk about enjoying our farming practices. I know Peggy appreciated her Indiana State education because it helped her be admitted as one of the few women to the IU School of Medicine in the 1960s.
She was a board-certified pathologist. So that was a big jump from hospital pathologist into a primary care position, just taking care of patients face to face. But with her background, she grew up on a farm just off down Market Avenue on the east side of Terre Haute. So she integrated very well with everybody she saw, and she could discuss anything and everything with them. She demonstrated her service to helping people because she's always there available for them. She appreciated her education at Indiana State University and wanted to give back to that because they helped her get started into her career.
Peggy believed that medical technology and knowing how to use medical equipment was important to the effective practice of medicine. So she wanted to help Indiana State have the budget items to obtain that equipment to effectively train medical assistants and nurses.
Dr. Sankey's unbelievable generosity and support over the years says a lot about how well she understood Indiana State's place in the region and in the state, and how we prepare people for healthcare professions. I think she really had a great sense of how Indiana State is critical to rural healthcare, but also just how we prepare a wide range of people for professions in healthcare. Her gift is going to allow us to make sure that we continue into the future students who absolutely get to work with the most cutting-edge technology. So our graduates are going to be prepared in whatever profession they choose from the very beginning. It's a great example of how we have so many generous donors who support experiential learning. Certainly Dr. Sankey is deserving of the March On Award. I mean, obviously the level of her generosity is incredible. Also the consistency of that support over the years.
Dr. Sankey would visit students on campus, she'd tour our facilities, she would meet with deans and find out the needs of the programs that she was passionate about. All those years that she gave back, she did not want anyone to know. She wanted to remain completely anonymous with her gifts. She wanted to make it about the students that she could help and what she could provide to the university. Her gift allows our health and human services area and our pre-med students to have the most current equipment to practice on. I feel privileged for having to get to know her through the years, and to be able to honor her now and her lifelong commitment to her alma mater is really special and meaningful, and we hope that it helps people understand just how big of an impact she's made here at Indiana State.